When you're considering GoTo Resolve for your business, you're probably wondering if the pricing is really worth the investment. After all, there are plenty of options out there, and not every software is created equal. But what sets GoTo Resolve apart from the competition, and is it truly the right choice for your company? First, let's talk about the pricing structure. GoTo Resolve has several pricing tiers, which can be a good thing if you're looking for flexibility. It's designed to scale with your business, but depending on your needs, the costs can start to add up quickly. The standard plan gives you access to core features, but if you want advanced functionalities, such as automation or custom reports, you'll need to move up to a higher tier. While this isn't uncommon, the pricing can sometimes feel a bit steep compared to some competitors offering similar features at a lower cost. Next thing to consider is ease of use. GoTo Resolve does a decent job at offering an intuitive interface, but it's not always the smoothest experience for first-time users. Some features require more of a learning curve than others, and this could be frustrating if you're trying to get up and running quickly. For small to medium-sized businesses, this might be a slight barrier, as you don't want to waste time figuring out how to use a tool that should simplify your processes. The fourth thing worth noting is GoTo Resolve's customer support. While the platform does provide access to live support, it's not the fastest or most responsive. In the world of business, especially for those who rely on technology to drive their operations, you need a support system that can react quickly when things go wrong. Unfortunately, GoTo Resolve doesn't always meet that mark, which could be a deal breaker for businesses that require constant uptime. The fifth thing to mention is its integration capabilities. GoTo Resolve integrates with a variety of third-party tools, which is a plus for businesses that use multiple platforms. However, these integrations are often limited to specific tiers, so if you're on the lower end of the pricing spectrum, you might find yourself missing out on essential integrations that could enhance your workflow. Now, let's pivot to alternatives. While GoTo Resolve has its pros, there are other software options that might be a better fit depending on what you need. For example, tools like TeamViewer and Freshdesk can offer a more streamlined experience at a competitive price point. They both come with excellent customer support, better integrations, and often provide a more user-friendly interface. So, while GoTo Resolve certainly has its strengths, there are valid reasons why some businesses might choose to go with a competitor instead. Before I wrap this up, let's talk about a little something extra. Through our link, you can access an exclusive and extended free trial of GoTo Resolve. But here's the twist. I've also listed some of the best alternatives that can provide you with better options for your specific needs. These alternatives also have free trials, so you can test them out and find the right fit. If you're looking for a better overall solution at a competitive price, you might want to consider giving these alternatives a shot. They're also linked below, with the best free trials available only to our viewers. At the end of the day, GoTo Resolve has potential, but whether it's the best investment depends on your business size, needs, and budget. Don't forget to check out the exclusive trials through our link to start testing the options that could work best for you.